Fuck your bitch, get a bag from it, then I never call her. Now she tripping, going crazy, nigga, tell her let her bubble. OG see me coming through and they say that's a baller. That's a baller. That's a nigga starting from the bottom, really in that order.
Guys, about to do a little FZ07 review. Oh, frick. Oh my god. It sounds so fucking good. If you don't know, this is Nematech's bike. It is so smooth, man. Man, everything about this bike is smooth. He said if I drop it, I owe him. I'm not gonna drop his bike. Oh my gosh. Watch me say that shit. I did a wheelie. He said not to do any wheelies. Okay, watch this, Nima. Dude, this thing is sick. Freaking power wheelies, bro. What is he talking about? He can't wheelie. Holy crap. This thing sounds sick, bro. Oh my gosh, I could ride an FZ07. Dude, I'm not even popping the clutch or shit. I'm just, watch. Freaking blipping the throttle and this shit does it all day. Oh my god, this thing's so much fun. I'm having too much fun, bro. Dude, this thing sounds fucking amazing. I might buy this off of you. Damn, this thing is badass. I think I know what bike I want. Holy shit. This thing is unbelievable with this crossplane 700, bro. See what he says about a wheelie. Whenever you come back down, you gotta give it some, you gotta smoothen out the gas. So like, since your bike, since it's got like race forks, you gotta, whenever you come it down, you can't slam it down or else you might break your fork seals, and it's like $400. But like, before you hit the ground, you gotta like give it tons of gas so it comes slowly down. 2015 FZ07, holy shit. It sounds so good too. It's got a ton of power for a little 680 or whatever it is, like a 680 something. It sounds so good, man. Dude, this thing sounds amazing, bro. FZ07 all the way. Woo! I don't know how you could ask for more of a bike. This thing's so quick. Like, it's not like fast, but it accelerates really fast, you know? And it sounds freaking amazing. If I got it, I'd probably get the same pipe, but the M4 is so, I mean, like, it's loud, but it's cheap. That's what I meant. It's really nice, though. I love this thing. Dude, this thing is beautiful. You spill some oil or something on it?
No, it just got dirty like that.
Oh, yeah. Dude, this thing looks sick, man. Thanks for letting me ride it.